Well, it's a lovely day in paradise and the rain stopped. Thank God. It's been raining for the past 3 days. And now today is lovely and sunny and hot. Sophia is getting better, thank God.
Thanks to all prayers for Sophia.
Thanks to what?
Prayer for Sophia.
Thanks to prayer for Sophia. All the subscribers. Thanks to all our subscribers for all the kind messages. It's been really heartwarming. So the coughing is just about gone now. Her chest is cleared up. I'm assuming it's because of the antibiotic. We had her back to the doctors and she said there's no need to take her to hospital. So everything's looking good. So we're going to this like restaurant place and we're going to sample their specialty, which is Lug-lug.
Kinalas. That is the food, popular food here in Naga.
Lug-lug?
Lug-lug?
Is it lug-lug?
Yeah,
Lug-lug.
Kinalas.
So we're going
Lug-lug and Kinalas.
Lug-lug and Kinalas. Right, I haven't got a clue what any of them are, so we'll have to see. And it's supposed to be the best in Bicol, isn't it? This lug-lug, it's the specialty. So we'll have a look and see what it's like. Because it's getting out of the house because the rain's kept weighing. Am I ready to eat it? I'll give it a try. Yeah. Might as well put a bit more weight on again, haven't I? Since she was born, we've had party after party, and it's really it's really very difficult not to eat. Ah,
Beautiful eyes.
beautiful eyes.
Show the camera. Beautiful eyes.
Can you do strong? Do strong. Strong. Good boy.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes, man. Beautiful eyes.
So we're taking my little handful of a son with us. So you're ready to go, babe?
Yeah.
Let's go. Right, guys, we're at Mr. Sabal, and we're on a road that you go around this corner here and you're nearly at Magsaysay Sai, where the garage is, and Yellow Taxi Pizza. Yeah.
And then what's it called? Mr. Jerry's Grill.
Yeah. So what's this road called?
Dayangdang.
Say it again.
Dayangdang.
Say it again.
How many times?
I heard you first.
So it's you can say DYD to make it short.
DYD.
DYD.
All right. So it's not been open long, guys. It's well worth a visit. We're gonna sample their specialty, aren't we, Mal?
Yeah.
So the food here, you see, you come to the Philippines and you're not gonna starve. Now, the reason that is the food's so cheap. I mean, noodles and the pork is really cheap here. You start and talk about beef, it's slightly dearer, but it's still not expensive at the end of the day. And what time is it? We're at about
Past 12, I think.
Yeah,
There's
about 20 past 12.
There's a lot of selling food also like this, but some of people saying this is the best food to eat.
Yeah, there's a lot of people coming here, so we thought we'd come and see what all the fuss was
Not
about.
only see, we will eat also.
We will eat also, yes. So there's just been some customers in, but when they saw the camera, they made a quick exit for the door. Now this beautiful lady is one of the staff here, obviously, because she's behind the counter. So
She's the guard.
are you the guard?
No.
Wow. What's your English like? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Konti lang?
Konti lang.
Ah, okay. So what's your specialty?
We have Bulalo, Kinalas,
Say again.
Bulalo Kinalas and lechon Kinalas.
Say again.
Bulalo Kinalas and lechon Kinalas.
No, I was only joking, Lang. I heard you first time. So we're talking.
I thought you deaf, that's why you repeat.
What?
Nothing.
So the regular is 40 pesos and the jumbo is 65.
Yeah.
So how big would a regular plate be? How big?
Wait a minute. You know lechon, right?
Yeah, pig. Yeah.
There's a topping. That jumbo.
Oh, that's the jumbo.
Regular.
And that's the regular.
This is me, and then this is
No,
you.
I don't want jumbo. I might not even like it. I might not even like
Oh,
it.
let's order first one.
Right. Well, there's two different ones. So we're gonna order one of each.
Okay.
There's
Just
two-
ano lang,
there's two-
regular lang. Just the regular.
Yeah, regular. And there's two different. What's the other one? There's two different dishes. There's the,
Bulalo and Kinalas.
yeah. So we're ordering one of each
Okay.
to try it,
Parang try niya.
and I'll give you my opinion.
Isa.
So
Regular lang.
will it be the balut taste, or will it be really good?
Oh, there's a banana also.
Yeah, this banana, I love that. This is what her mum makes outside the
Maduya.
shop. But that's me. I would rather have this one over that one.
Ibang ano yun,
Don't ask me why, it just tastes a bit better.
Ano ba kakaiba ng
And then we've got the soft boiled eggs, 12 pesos only.
regular lang.
Do they sell alcohol here? You know, like in the evening, do you sell alcohol or is it just soft drinks?
Soft drinks only.
Soft drinks only?
There's no alcohol.
How late is it open?
Hanggang ano, until 8 p.m.
Till 8 p.m. and you don't serve alcohol? Oh, that's
You can go to Magsaysay. There's a lot of bar there.
Yeah, you see, the thing is, guys, you come here, you can have something nice to eat, assuming you like the kind of thing we're suggesting, which I do, but I just put weight on so easy. It doesn't help being old. And just to reiterate, you've got like no more than a 10-minute walk that way. You're in Magsaysay, you've got all the bars, all the nice restaurants. It's really nice on Magsaysay, which most people go to for, like, you know, evening drink and all that kind of thing. You can buy wine in certain places if you know, you love your wine like I do. I'm into red wine, not that I drink now, but if I was, you know. I mean, the thing is, you're in the way, babe. I don't drink, but if I was offered it and it's free, of course I'll try it. So we'll wait for the food and we'll give you our opinion.
This one is lechon Kinalas. And this
Okay.
is Bulalo Kinalas.
Oh,
Our specialty here in Mr. Sabaw.
oh, very nice. Thank you.
So where's the spoon and then the ano?
So you do that?
Yeah,
Huh?
I think so.
Uy. Oh, sorry.
Matthew, come here. Uy.
Uy. Uy.
Matthew, come here. Spoon and fork.
Thank you.
Come here.
Go around with mommy.
Yeah.
So one's got beef and the other one's got pork.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Put on.
So that's the pork. That's the beef. Well, it's got something I like straight away, which is the egg.
Calamansi. You want lemon?
No, thank you.
Uy, before you eat, you need to put this. I'm so
Why?
excited. It's up to you if you want, but if you don't want, it's alright.
I don't want.
Okay. the taste. It's taste. It's
Masarap.
taste. Masarap.
In
This
fact,
one.
sobrang masarap.
This one.
The beef. This is tastier.
Than the other one. Because it's a beef.
There's more taste to it. Yeah, you can have that one. I'll have this one. What's this called, Mel?
Leche plan.
It's very sweet.
Yeah. But it's nice.
I know it's very sweet because I've just eaten mine. It's very sweet, but it's very nice. I don't normally eat sweet, but because we're here, I thought I'd try it. And it is very nice. So if you do come here, try the sweet.
Yeah, visit here.
Definitely give it a visit. I really enjoyed that. What I've just had.
And then also it's cheap, right?
It's very cheap. Very cheap. Just remind our viewers again what we've been eating.
It's Kinalas, this one. Kinalas.
Kinalas. And what was the one?
Bulalo.
Oh,
Bulalo.
that was Bulalo.
It's
obviously a bowl.
It's tasty, right?
Yeah.
The bulalo. It's a bit.
It's obviously a bowl, but it did have some bulalo. It did
No,
have some
balut.
bulalo. Oh no.
Sounds malo.
You know what I think about balut, right?
Matthew.
So, what's your name and where do you come from?
Ella.
Ella.
Ella. Yeah.
And where do you live, Ella?
Magsaysay.
Magsaysay. Oh.
Yeah. Mugs. At Mugs.
And
And speaking of her, she mentioned that her daughter have pneumonia.
she had pneumonia,
She had pneumonia.
but she hasn't got it anymore. And she was in hospital 3 days.
No, it's 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
No, 5 week.
Ooh, do you know you? So Ella, is a beautiful young lady like you married?
What?
Are you married? No. So if you were to get with a guy, would you like a foreigner?
Te, rice, te.
No?
Don't want.
No, I
You don't want a foreigner? Bakit?
Dala.
I don't want foreigner.
You like
She wants
Filipino
Filipino.
guys?
I want Filipino.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So, how many hours do you work here?
8 hours.
8 hours every day?
Yeah, every day.
7 days?
Yeah.
Ooh.
They have 6 days lang because they have a day off. Day off.
Well, that's not every day then, is it?
It's nice.
Are you gonna eat it all?
Yes, of course.
Are you? Oh my god. Nothing. So, we're about 12-15 minutes from Naga.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. And we're nearly at Magsaysay. What's the road we're on?
DYD to make it short and easy. DYD.
Yeah, but-
Dayangdang.
Dayangdang.
Yeah, Dayangdang.
We're on Dayangdang Road, going to Magsaysay, and it's well worth a visit. But obviously, if you're not into this kind of food, you're a Westerner, then
Yeah.
perhaps not. But I love all this. It's just that my stomach doesn't love it.
So are you planning to come back again here?
Absolutely.
How's your diet?
My diet went through the winter when she was born, didn't it? But I've still not put all my weight back on, so I'm all right. I'm trying to get back into the diet regime again. So guys, that's about it till the next video. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Everything's starting to pick up health-wise.
Yeah.
So it's back to my beautiful babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
And visit our new revamped website, BritonThePhilippines.com.
Did you mix that before you eat?
No.
Jeez. I'm so excited. You need to mix that.
Oh, you got to mix it, have you?
Yeah, there's a sauce.
Yes, I gathered
sauce.
that. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, well, you eat that one, then I'll eat this one.
This one is the best.
So, you see what the locals are getting? The rice. Okay, guys. See you on the next video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping